Planning a trip to Jaipur before you book your tickets or hotels is everything you need to know. Jaipur, also known as the Pink City, is one of India's most popular travel destinations. It's known for its royal forts, historic palaces, colorful markets, and rich Rajasthani culture. The best time to visit Jaipur is from October to March. Summers, especially from May to June, can be extremely hot and uncomfortable for travel. Amber Fort is one of the top attractions in Jaipur, famous for its grand structure and hilltop views. Hawa Mahal is the city's most iconic landmark and best visited early in the morning. City Palace gives a glimpse into Jaipur's royal lifestyle and history. Nahargarh Fort is a popular spot for sunset views overlooking the city. Jaipur is a budget-friendly destination. It can start from around 800 rupees per night for budget stays. Daily food expenses usually range between 300 and 600 rupees. Others you can see on the screen. Overall, a comfortable daily budget in Jaipur ranges between 1500 and 3000 rupees. That's everything you need to know to plan your Jaipur trip. Save this guide for later and subscribe for more.